Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today I want to talk about planting crocuses. Crocuses are ubiquitous for spring, but you plant them in the fall. And one of the places I love to plant crocuses is along the borders of my garden. The front border is a great spot to plant crocuses because they're very low. Here's another trick to planting crocuses that you may not have thought of. Let's put them in the lawn. Before I get to putting them in the lawn, let's talk about just planting them in your garden beds. Basically, you just clear a little area. I tend to put these in like a cookie sheet. I clear an area. I place them only about an inch apart, cover the area up with soil after putting a little bit of fertilizer in, and they're good to go. In the lawn, it's a little bit different. I use this tool that I have here, and I basically cut the top surface of the grass off underneath the roots. I then put all the bulbs down, put the grass back on top of it, and the bulbs will come up in the spring. Now you may be wondering, what about mowing? Well, by the time the grass is ready to be mowed, the crocuses will be done. So you get this interesting look of crocuses coming up in your lawn at a time when the lawn may not look that great. Crocuses are a great thing to plant in the fall for early spring. There's all sorts of different types. You can plant mixed crocuses, species crocuses, or other specialty varieties. Whatever you plant, they're going to do well, and they really are very cheery at a time when you'll need some pick-me-up after a long, cold winter. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.